Hi guys, Kirk here again with the World Monster Truck Alliance. World Finals time it is indeed, and we are down to the quarterfinals. 8 trucks remain. Let's go ahead and see who's left. Our current points leader in the 16 quick qualifier, Bad News Travels Fast, knocked out the top qualifier last round. He'll be in this first matchup. Bad News Travels Fast, of course driven by, like I said, current points leader, Mega Monster Jam 907A. He's got Illuminator, which is Kobe Alderman, who's pulled off a couple upsets himself to get this far. We've got Grinder in the next matchup. Grinder is CM Punk Fan 338, so that's number 2 in the points. 1 in the points, then the next round, 2 in the points. He draws Catherine 36550 in Eradicator. And the next matchup is going to be Captain's Curse. Captain's Curse is Paul Costantini. He gets our last chance shootout winner, Jose Bellinelli. And the last match of the round is going to be Storm Damage. Storm Damage is George Lopez. He gets Little Miss Dangerous, Hako 25, who was the second slowest qualifier. Proof that qualifying doesn't always set the field. Go ahead and race them up. Mega Monster Jam 907A is, once again, Bad News Travels Fast. It's Kobe Alderman in Illuminator. Problems again with this lane. That's been the story of the night, is when this lane has been working, it's been working great. When it hasn't, it hasn't. They'll run him again, which is tough for Kobe Alderman because that was a really good looking run. So the switch lanes. Kobe Alderman now, again in Illuminator. Mega Monster Jam 907A, Bad News Travels Fast. This time a very clean run, and it's Illuminator. Kobe Alderman knocks off the current points leader. Big upset there. The next matchup is CM Punk Fan 338. That's number 2 in the points, going up against Catherine 36550 in Eradicator. Again, problems with the ramp. We'll go ahead and rerun it. I'll switch lanes. This time, both trucks have a hard time. We'll fix the ramp one more time. Trying to get as fair of a run as we can. Switching lanes again. Catherine 36550 in Eradicator. CM Punk Fan 338 in Grinder. Clean run, and it's going to be Catherine 36550 in Eradicator with the win. Great run for Eradicator. We've got Captain's Curse and Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo is Jose Bellinelli, that last chance shootout winner. And Captain's Curse, Paul Costantini. Clean run, it's Paul Costantini ends the miracle run by Jose Bellinelli. Great run for Paul Costantini. And it's Storm Damage. George Lopez, Hako 25, Little Miss Dangerous. Who's going to win it? Try to fix the course before we have the problem. And they're off. And again, problems with the course. This time it's the other lane acting up. So we'll switch lanes and run them again. I think we got it set now. We'll call it a fair run, and this is going to be Storm Damage's day, taking on the wind. Alright, down to our final four. We've got Illuminator, which is Kobe Alderman going up against Catherine, 36550, and Eradicator. Big problems with the course before we got going. Big time problems with the course. We'll try to keep it going. I'll switch lanes. Eradicator and Illuminator. One of them's going to the finals. Great run. This time it's going to be Illuminator going on to the finals. Kobe Alderman. And we are down. It's our last match before the championships. Paul Cosentini in Captain's Curse, George Lopez in Storm Damage. And make sure that the course is somewhat equal. There they go. It's going to be Storm Damage with the win. Storm Damage, George Lopez going to the finals. How much time do